Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a UX crisis with InVision, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing the current UX crisis in detail. Identify specific user pain points and issues through analytics and user feedback. Gather your team for a brainstorming session to explore possible solutions. Prioritize the most critical issues based on user impact and feasibility. Create a clearly defined action plan outlining each step towards recovery. Utilize InVision to streamline your design and prototyping processes. Start by setting up a new project within InVision to house all relevant components. Import existing designs or create new mockups based on prioritized user feedback. Use InVision's collaboration features to gather team input on the designs. Engage stakeholders by sharing prototypes for their review and feedback. Conduct user testing sessions with your prototypes to validate proposed solutions. Make necessary adjustments based on user insights gained during testing. Document all changes and rationales to maintain clarity and alignment. Build a timeline for implementing the revised designs. Start implementing changes on your platform based on user testing results. Monitor user behavior closely post-implementation for any new or recurring issues. Collect ongoing feedback to continually improve the UX. Hold follow-up meetings to ensure all team members are aligned and informed. Use InVision to showcase progress and celebrate small wins along the way. Aim for continuous iterations to create an evolving experience for users. As you resolve the UX crisis, communicate the changes and improvements to your users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.